your willpower muscle might give in. So it's not your fault. Hey everyone, it's Coach Nate here. Today I'm giving you a reason why you might be failing to lose weight. It's one word, and that's willpower. So many people think that they don't have enough willpower to stick to a weight loss plan. I get it, and saying no to that slice of cake or resisting that urge to skip a workout can be tough. And here's the thing, it's not just about willpower. So imagine you're at a party and there's a table full of your favorite food and snacks or chips, cookies, you name it. You know you should resist, but it's so tempting. You might think, hey, if only I had more willpower, I could stick to my diet. But here's the thing. Willpower is like a muscle. It can get tired if you use it too much. And when you're faced with constant temptation, like at that party, your willpower muscle might give in. So it's not your fault. It's not a lack of willpower. It's just that your muscle needs a break. So here are 3 keys to help you overcome temptation when you're out or whenever you're surrounded by temptation. So number 1, plan ahead. Instead of relying on willpower in the moment, plan ahead. Before going to the party, eat a healthy meal so that you're not as tempted by the snacks. Bring a healthy dish to share so that you have a go-to option. Number 2, you can also change your environment. So change your environment. If you know that you're tempted by certain foods at home, don't keep them around. Out of sight, out of mind. And keep healthy snacks on hand instead. Number 3, build healthy habits. So rather than relying on willpower to force yourself to exercise, make it a habit. Schedule it in your calendar. Start with small, manageable goals like taking a short walk after dinner. And over time, it will become a natural part of your routine. And so if you feel like you're lacking willpower, remember, it's not about having superhuman strength to resist temptation. It's about setting yourself up for success by planning ahead, changing your environment, and building healthy habits. If you want more tips and support on your weight loss journey, hit the subscribe button and join our community. Together we'll crush it. So see you in the next video. Peace out.